Hello, in this video I'm going to explain if you can connect Bluetooth headphones and use them as a microphone on your Insta360 X5. Yes, of course that can be done, and I'll show you how you can do it. Of course, your headphones need to be equipped with a microphone. Most of them are, but some of the cheaper or older models may not have a microphone. So I have AirPods Pro second generation, so they for sure have a microphone. I'll need to connect them to the Insta360 first, so let's turn the device on because it's currently off. Okay, now let's slide down from the top of the screen. Then I'm gonna change the language. Okay, now you'll need to go to Bluetooth. After sliding to the left, then find Bluetooth headset / microphone. Put your headphones in pairing mode. For AirPods, it's opening the lid, then pressing and holding on the back button until the light starts blinking and you hear a little chime. I'm gonna retry searching for Bluetooth devices, and I believe it should find it, although I have my iPhone currently connected, so it may not find it. I'll disconnect it. Okay, you can see it is there. Now I can enable dual track audio, so it'll both record it from the camera and from my AirPods. It's great later for editing, and I'll show you how to enable or disable it manually. So once you slide down from the top of the screen, go to the right twice until you find audio settings. Now you can select whether you want to use the Bluetooth headphones or built-in microphone. But you can see it does only the AirPods when they are connected. If I disconnect them, it'll switch back to the built-in microphone. I can also disable the dual track audio, so both are being recorded right now. For the camera, I can also set the wind noise reduction, voice enhancement, or stereo. And yeah, you can later edit it and see which audio was better, and maybe switch between audios depending on whether you were saying something or someone in front of you was saying something. And it's gonna be better, like when you say something, it's gonna be better if you choose your headphones sound, and if someone was saying something, then maybe the camera recorded it better. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.